Welcome back to my channel, guys. For those of you that have been asking me about the new method of Google AI Pro, that's Gemini Pro, now I want to show you the new method. So come to your Brave browser. Make sure you have a Brave browser on your laptop. Yes, come to your Brave browser and try to log into the Gmail you want to use. So I want to use a Gmail right now. So let me just try to log into a Gmail I've not used before. So I use business knob ltd at gmail.com. I'm going to next this, then I'm going to input my password. So I'm going to input my password right here. So I'm going to save this. So now I'm into my Gmail account. Then the other thing I needed to do now is to get an extension, a VPN extension. So let's do that right away. So I'm going to come to extensions right here, and I'm going to go to the web store, which is a Chrome web store for Brave browser. So let me look for a VPN I can use. Let me look for a VPN I can use because I need to be in the United States. So I'm going to look for a VPN I can use. So let's see VPN. I think this should work. So let me use VPN right now. So let's add that to our extension. So having to have a VPN now, we are going to have this VPN. Then make sure we come to Gemini students. So let's have the VPN before we check our location so that we can make sure we are in the US. So right now I have my VPN right here. This is my VPN right here. So let me turn it on, which is VPN. As you could see, so I want to continue with limited free and I want to nest this. Okay, so let me make sure my VPN is going to be capable to run US. So I'm going to have this continue and I'm going to start this right away. So I'm going to continue for free. So I have to continue for free. So I'll say no thanks. Let me continue for free. And what I'm looking for is US. So I could use any of the states in the US right here. And I can connect my location. So once I make sure it is in the US, I'm going to try to check my location. So right now I can check my location since it's connected. So I can check my location. Was my IP, which was my IP, was my IP. So I'm going to be able to see where I'm at right now. So let me just check my location. So once the location is set to US, I can do whatever I want to do. So now this is my location. My location is United States, Oregon. So perfect. So I'm going to look for Gemini student, Gemini for students. I'm going to look for that. I'm going to search for Gemini for students, and having to search for Gemini for students. Now I'm going to click on this so I to see if it will be available for me. So once I open this right now, and you see the offer is available for me. So what do? I click on get offer. So I click on get offer and it takes me to the share ID. So once you have this, I want you to come to batch this, come to batch.onekey.me. So come right here. So when you come right here now, you're going to see batch.onekey.me. So what you want to do now is to copy the link, copy this link address, yes, copy this link address and come paste it right here. So you see students, Google Students is right here. So you control, you take out everything you're seeing right now, you take them out. So you input your own URL. So paste URL directly. So I'm going to paste it right now. So that's the one I copied, I just pasted right now. And what do? I'm going to say I'm human and I'm going to verify I'm human. So I'm human and I'll verify human as well. So you have to verify with this. So let me do that right away. So now that I've verified I'm human, I'm going to choose this as well, just to verify I'm human. And once I'm done with this, I can proceed with whatever I want to do. So once you see this success, what you have to do now is to start verification. So I'm going to start verification right now. And this start verification right here. So I'm going to wait for that to be successful as well. As you can see, it's pending. So while we wait for this, as you can see, this is successful. So what do? I'm going to click on this I'm going to click on this, so it takes me to another platform. So this platform now would actually bypass the having to share your ID. So now you can click on this. So you come click on this right now, and having to click on this, you'll be brought to here that says get student offer, and that will bypass the ID. And once you come to get student offer right here, you'll be able to activate an account for yourself. So right now I just did this get student offer. So let's see how that goes. So now all I have to do now is to input my card details right here. So if you have a virtual card, you can get a virtual card to input a detail right here. So let me use add card right now. So I'm going to use add card. So if you need an account, if you cannot go through all this process, come to a place like store.billardcreative.com. You'll be able to get an account on this very website. So see it right here. You can get a Google AI Pro account for less than $10. This is just a 10,000 naira. So you can come right here to get the account, or you do this. So let me go back to my method. Okay, so now I've inputted everything. I've inputted my details right now. So what I want to do now is to save the card and proceed. So now I've proceed, and let's wait for it to be successful. So it's loading right now, and what I want to do now is to make my payments. So let's do this right now. So let's say I've added card now. Let's click on get students offer again. So let's click on it again. So as you can see now I can subscribe easily without having to pay anything till January 10th, 2027. So this method works. Go try your own and get an account right now. So I'm going to subscribe right away. If you've not subscribed to my channel just yet, do remember to subscribe, like this video, comment in the comments box. If you really want to see other videos on other hacks on how to get all these accounts, comment in the comment section what you would love to see. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.